Hi, to enable camera watermark on your Samsung Galaxy S25, just open Camera. Right now in photo mode, tap on the four dots icon and choose Settings. And after that, you will need to find Watermark. Tap it, and if you can see the status on, then it is enabled. If you can see status off, then it is disabled. So once enabled, you can decide what you want to see on your watermark. Custom text, date and time. So if you want to remove time from watermark, then tap here to remove checkmark. To add time, tap it like that. You can tap right here and change its format, for example, add PM and AM. You can do the same for date, so you can change its format as well. And here you can edit your custom text, so you can create something new, just like that, and tap Save Changes. So as you can see, we can even use emojis here. After that, you can change font. Also, you can change alignment. You can place it to the left side, move to the middle or to the right side, and also move to the top or to the bottom. And now let me show you how it's working. So I'm gonna just take a photo. And this is the result. So you can see my custom text right here, which is basically watermark. Let me reduce the brightness. Here it is. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.